At CES this year, I came across this product from iHome. It is the PowerUVC Pro. A perfect solution for sanitizing things like your phones, masks, keys. Even if we weren't in the middle of a pandemic, which we are, it still would be a great choice because, let's be honest here, who wants to use something dirty and stick something dirty on your face? So basically, this is a clock radio. It can sit on your bedside table or in your office or your kitchen. And with its built-in Bluetooth speaker, and by the way, it comes with also a USB port for power, it is a perfect solution for anybody, from kids to seniors. So how it works is we just open up the lid, we place some things in there like your mask, your phone, some AirPods, maybe a key, close the lid and press the button. So simple and easy to do, and within 3 minutes it sanitizes. Using UVC technology, it kills 99.9% of bacteria, plus it uses no chemicals. Now, if you do get a phone call or something during that 3-minute period, all you do is just open up the lid and you can take your device out, and then when you close the lid again, the timer will start. Priced at $129 and sometimes on sale for 99 bucks. It's a great choice for everyone. And let's all stay safe, stay clean, and keep on sanitizing.